Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I'm doing a quick review of Signup.io. Now, it helps you find leads, automate outreach, and close more deals. Discover new prospects, verify emails, reach primary email boxes, accelerate LinkedIn outreach, and manage leads with your unified inbox. Everything you need to scale cold outreach, all in one sales CRM with unlimited mailboxes and unlimited email warm-ups. You can try it for free today. No credit card required, GDPR compliant, 4.6 star on D2, and 400,000 plus users. So let's start with the review. We start with the pros. Now, Signup.io is a comprehensive platform offering a range of tools for sales outreach, including email finding, verification, and automated drip campaigns. Users often praise its effectiveness in lead generation and the convenience of having multiple functions in one place. The email verification tool is highlighted as particularly strong, helping to maintain clean leads and improve deliverability. The Chrome extension is also a popular feature for quickly finding contacts while you browse. Now, when it comes to the cons, some users report that the data accuracy for finding emails isn't always perfect, and the database can sometimes feel limited. The query-based pricing model can also be expensive for businesses needing to scale their outreach significantly. There have also been occasional mentions of a learning curve for some of the more advanced features and mixed feedbacks regarding customer support responsiveness. But despite all these minor drawbacks, Signup.io remains a valuable tool for sales and marketing professionals looking to streamline their outreach efforts and improve lead generation process. Hope you found this video helpful. You can also chat with Otto from Signup.